Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Team Reese Travels. Today, we are bringing you something truly special. We are on board the Carnival Celebrations, and we're about to ride the world's first roller coaster at sea, Bolt. That's right. It's not just any roller coaster. It's a sea coaster, and it's available on all of Carnival's XL class ships, including the Mardi Gras, the Celebration, and Carnival Jubilee. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about Bolt, from costs and restrictions to the boarding process. We've got you covered. We'll also share what it's like to ride this one-of-a-kind coaster, plus our insider tips to ensure you have the best experience possible. So buckle up and let's get this adventure started. What's up, y'all? It's Kiki.
Hey, Ray.
And RJ is here too. Hey, it's a sea day on the Carnival Celebration. We're getting ready to do Bolt. We actually, Bolt you have to pay for. So it is $15 per person, but we actually got a family pack. You pay for 2 people, you get 1 free. So you get 3 rides for the cost of 2. So when you want to go on Bolt, you basically have to book a reservation in the app. You pay for it, well, it charges to your folio just like everything else on board. And then you just show up during your reservation time slot. So it's 3:30. Well, it's 3:25. Our time's at 3:30, so we gotta go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. I guess it is called Bolt for a reason. What do you think so far?
I think it was good. I was excited for the time it took off.
Yeah.
I just had a small incident, but you know.
What's the incident?
It stopped.
Oh, yeah. Y'all, Ray and RJ done broke both, y'all. Now all of a sudden, can't nobody else get on. So, I mean, look at them. They doing test rides and all kind of stuff now.
So you're saying it's our fault?
I mean, the dude just said you get the brakes and all of a sudden it don't work. That's what I heard. Let's go. I was just joking about them breaking the ride, obviously. What's actually going on is we got some wind and they have to kind of wait the wind out and there's some clouds. So just kind of, it's more the clouds, they said, so we just kind of wait a little bit for these clouds to look a little better. Then they'll do a couple test runs and then we'll be good to go. They said maybe 5 or 10 minutes and then we'll be good to keep going. So Ray and RJ already did one of their rounds. You get 2 rounds. They only did 1. They still get to do their second round whenever the clouds look even better and the ride gets back up. What we think?
Luckily, it didn't stop that time.
It didn't stop that time. How you feeling?
I wasn't screaming, I was fussing.
Oh, you was screaming. Know the sound of that scream. up our ride on Bolt. I think it was pretty fun. What do you think?
I think so.
I think it was a good
I
ride.
said Danny Messi.
Do you think it was scary, RJ?
Oh,
RJ said it was a little scary. I didn't think it was.
The scary part was when it stopped mid-ride because they lost power.
Yeah. That
At
might
the
be a little
end,
scary.
we got ready to get on it again, and they said the internet just went down. And then we got ready to get it on again, and then it went. So we got a chance to go on 3 times instead of 2 times. But it worked out. So I told Kiki, now they tell me the 3rd time this ain't gonna work, I'm like, we ain't doing this.
Yeah, it's gonna be a wrap.
I'm riding. I got on it once, went around, so that's enough for me.
Right. But there are some rules on Bolt. You cannot have loose items. That means sunglasses. That means regular glasses. That means earrings. That means anything loose. If you wear glasses, you have to have straps on them. You do have to have closed-toe shoes. Have to be under 300 pounds. Minimum height is 52 inches.
Yeah. Max 77.
Yes, maximum height 77 inches. But it's a really good time, and it's not real crowded. I thought that it was gonna be like long line. We pretty much got right on. So come within your time slot. Get there, walk right up. At least we did.
Make sure you book it.
Yes,
I think that helps out too.
Definitely.
That keeps the crowd down.
Yeah. I hope this was something informative for you. Hope you got some information that you needed for what it is like to ride Bolt roller coaster on the Carnival Celebration or Carnival Mardi Gras, because same thing.
I wish you could have got took videos. That's all. You can't take videos either.
Yes, you cannot have cameras, GoPros, anything like that.
You can't even have it strapped to your chest, to your forehead, to your neck, wherever. It can't go there.
Yep. And if you are a family of 3 like us, take advantage of that family pack, because what would have cost us $45 only cost us $30. If you have not already, we would love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Come on, be a part of the team. We would love to have you. Click the like button too if you like anything that you saw or if you found it informative. And also, if you would be interested in becoming a member where you get exclusive content, definitely click that join button. You can become a member like some of the folks you see on the screen right now. And, check out one of our other videos. This one you see on the screen might be a good one for you. Check it out. And until the next time, Team Reese, all right, day.